Ubud, the beauty of nature, art, and culture. Ubud is the one of traditional village of Gianyar Regency, Bali province. Ubud is a famous destination with the nature, art, and culture. Some people come to Ubud because they want to see something traditional, and Ubud have many destinations that you can visit and enjoy the nature, art, culture, and traditional thing. In the center of Ubud, they have Ubud Art Market, or local people call it Pasar Seni Ubud. Ubud Art Market have so much art and culture thing, which is a good thing because you can find it anywhere. Maybe it's a little bit tips from me. If you go to Ubud Art Market, please learn about bargaining to get a cheap price of all the things at Ubud Art Market. Shipping to the west of Ubud Art Market might be around 5 minutes. There is a destination called Saraswati Temple or Pura Taman Kemuda Sarawati. Saraswati Temple have carving architecture that make it like a kingdom. And if you go there, you will use special clothes that we provide, which is a good thing because you can take a photo with nice clothes and have some memories in Saraswati Temple. Ubud, the beauty of nature, art, and culture.